Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, the I Teach channel, and today we're going to have a room tour here only at Royal Park Hotel in Boracay. So right now guys, I'm gonna show you their bedroom and we are at room 107. So here we are. So as you can see, the room is very nice. It has its emergency evacuation plan. See, it's very, you are very safe here. When you enter the room, it seems that you are at a very nice place. It seems that you will be spending your nights and day in a palace. Take a look, right? Okay, so the beddings are really very good. See, look at this. Okay, it's very comfy. All right, yeah, we got here two twin deluxe right, and we have also two pillows. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. And then it's a very nice bed. What do you call this? Headboard? Bed headboard, I don't know. And then the curtain is very nice. It's very elegant. At the same time, guys, okay, take a look. They have a very nice painting here too. And, sorry, pasensya na. It's medyo, ano na siya, medyo madumi na. Ayan, you can stand your coffee in there. And then they have also their side tables. Okay. Wow, daming outlet. And that's very nice. They have their very nice, what's that? Lamp. Okay, nandun din sa kabila. Yun. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Then, charan! Okay. Super ganda ang kanilang vanity. Yan. It's very nice. Merong mga cabinets. They have also their what's this? Drawer. At super elegant ang kanilang, and super elegant ang kanilang mirror. Then they have their TV, and take a look at this. I'm gonna show you their lamp. Charan! Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng lighting. And then after that, punta naman tayo dito. At the back of the door, meron tayong cabinet. Of course, dahil we are going to spend here for 2 nights and 3 days. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang cabinet. And then, we're going to enter the comfort room and the shower. Wow! So, ang kagandahan dito, guys, ayan, ang laki ng space. Look, ipapakita ko sa inyo, no? So, super laki yung space. Ayan. Then, ang ganda din ng kanilang mirror. Then, meron silang hair blower. Ayan, complete with sink. Ayan. Ito ang kanilang magandang ayan. Napakaganda. And then, meron din silang shower. Okay, ang shower nila meron din hot and cold. Alright, so you know what guys, I really love this place. Kaya talagang 2 times na kami nag-book at nag-visit and stay here at the Royal Park at Station 1. The Royal Park Hotel is really a very nice place. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda, di ba? Okay, so see you next time. in more adventure. Bye!